In this video, you'll learn how to create and manage categories in Outlook to organize your emails more effectively. To get started, click the New Mail button if you want to compose a message or switch to the Home tab, then select your inbox to review your current emails and get ready to categorize them. Now, use tools such as the Delete, Reply All, or Reply buttons to manage your emails efficiently. This helps keep your mailbox organized as you prepare to set up categories. Next, edit the category name by typing in the Input field. You can review the instructions on categorizing emails, then continue entering a specific name for your new category to better personalize your organization. Select the Name input field whenever you want to change or specify a category label for easier tracking of messages. To filter messages, check the box beside the emails you want to categorize, or select various email details, such as subject lines, for more accurate filtering and assignment. You've now seen how to add and filter categories in Outlook for easier management.